Teenagers. At this stage in life, bodies begin to mature and take on adult form. Growth is usually fast, often occurring in spurts. Teenagers need increasing amounts of energy and nutrients for these physical changes. This is something that is described in the Eat Well plate. A healthy and varied diet is important for growth and for keeping to a healthy weight. It will also stop people from having serious diseases as they get older. The need for energy is important if you're physically active. However, we know from national surveys that adolescents' intake of fatty, sugary and salty foods is well above recommendations, and that obesity is a widespread problem among British teenagers. Research also suggests that many teenagers do very little exercise. The government recommends that young people take part in at least 60 minutes of moderate physical activity every day. It is important to take part in organised sport and exercise. Some sports like cycling, swimming and running should be done twice a week to improve bone health and muscle strength. Young people grow and develop very quickly, and the need for protein is high during this time. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, milk, cheese, eggs, beans, nuts and cereals. This rapid increase in body size and bone growth means that teenagers need more calcium. Without the right amount of calcium, they may not have healthy bones as they grow older. Food rich in calcium and vitamin D should be eaten. Good sources of calcium include dairy products such as milk, yogurt and cheese. If these foods are not eaten, calcium-fortified soya milk can be a good replacement. In the UK, white and brown flour must be fortified with calcium. Green vegetables such as broccoli and spring greens also provide calcium. Other good sources are fish that is eaten with the bones, such as canned sardines or salmon. Another good source of calcium is calcium-enriched mineral water. In teenage years, the need for iron also increases to help with growth and muscle development. Girls need additional supplies to replace the loss of iron through menstruation. Iron from meat sources is known as heme iron, and this, such as liver, red meat, is easily absorbed by the body. Iron is found in other foods that are not meat. These foods are known as non-heme iron foods. Examples of these are green leafy vegetables, nuts, whole grains, pulses and dried fruit. All wheat flours have to be fortified with iron. Many breakfast cereals are also fortified with iron. Eating disorders are typically seen in young girls and increasingly in young boys. They include anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa.